I'm Denise Smeets and I would like to welcome you to this painting episode by We Love Art. For today we will be recreating the wonderful Audrey Hepburn. I always start with the background first and therefore it's a great way to kind of warm up your painting muscles. Is quite like it's a big part of this canvas, so we don't really need to go immediately yet to a small brush. Easy, and you see, right? You can create nice, and here, for example, here, nice, smooth line. When I was reading about Audrey, like the more and more I read about her, the more I started to admire her. She's truly an incredible woman. She is a big supporter of UNICEF, and because of her long-time work for the charity, they have named in the Netherlands a street and a tulip after Audrey Hepburn. So all the Dutch, including myself, admire this beautiful woman. So first, now we've created the framework of Audrey Hepburn, all in black, and now we can give her some personality through the colors we love. Okay, so for teal, so if you're gonna follow me, then for teal what we're gonna do is we take some blue. This is already all dry, so no problem, you can just build on top. Blue, green, now try to make sure that you mix enough. So we don't need to keep remixing blue, green, a bit more blue. I will add in a hint of white, because that will also make that you can easily see if you're close to the color. Yeah. Hint of green. And then also a bit of black. And now what we're going to do is we create the pink color. So let's scoop again some red, white, mix it together until we get a nice pink, and then we're going to tone it down with a hint, not much, but with a hint of black. I really hope that for you that you're happy and that you were also able to just switch off, take a nice moment for yourself today and create something what you can admire forever on your wall. How special, right? Go now to the splattering. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you very soon again.